so? I don't think so.
I think so.
Yeah, I'm going in, but so is you. So is you. So is you. Let's see.
Go ahead and rinse the ants
Yeah.
off.
You're going in too. Let's go.
And take the shoes off.
Yep. Kick the shoes off.
See all the ants, baby?
Out of everything, the shoes.
Look at all the ants. See them all? Rinse them off.
Are you guys gonna go in together or what?
No.
He's just loving his dog.
Stretch my back out nicely.
That's what he said. He said, this is comfy.
One's gonna get hurt.
I think they're both going in.
I think it's gonna be Dad.
I'm sure I'm going in. He's got me right now, though. Yeah, because you don't have enough strength to open your arms against, because his wrists are too big, or his hands are too big to go through my hands.
Do you need help or something?
My hands are getting slippery. They are. I can feel my hands getting slippery.